Today we're going to take a look at how to use ClickUp AI to build out a standard operating procedure based off the transcript from a meeting recording. So essentially in my demo account, I've got a list for all my processes. The one that we're going to look at today is how to send a thank you card to a new client. So what we'll need is a couple of fields in here. The first one, we need a long text field to be able to paste in our transcript, or you could actually do this in the description of the task, but to keep this nice and simple, I'm going to create a long text area field, and we're going to call this video transcript, and we're going to leave it as a manual field. Then what we're going to need is another long text field, and this time we're going to set it as the actual SOP document, and we're going to do this as a fill with AI. So the template for this is going to be custom instructions, and then in here this is where we would add the prompt that tells the AI how to do this and how to format it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in a prompt that we've used before. So we will just paste the prompt in here. So this is quite long, telling it what it's an expert in, where to find the information, and then the exact format that we want this to be set up in. Now, if we click create here, and we now activate this, what it will do is it will go and take the information that it can find in the video transcript column and create that full process document for us. Now, this is at the moment for this demonstration going into a custom field, but you could also get this to do it in a ClickUp doc as well. So here we go. Here's an example, sending a thank you card to a new client. Here's the objective, the checklist based on the information. It can then has FAQs and then tools and resources down the bottom as well. So obviously you can get very specific with the exact information that you want to put in here, but this is just an example of how you can use ClickUp's AI to take your screen recording transcripts and build out the SOP for you.